One on the launch pad, this Oki. This is now going to be the test of all tests between the equipment. Old camera, old generation versus new technology. Beautiful photo there. And the new technology I can pause. And that's a Perch, the 200 I started on the back of the 747 Tomcat. Wiseman let go a little bit soon, but Oki managed to push away with motor stripped high. Taking some water there, but his nose is closed, so it's just washed over the side. Teller 3 behind me. Hannock waiting for the seats to wash through. The white foam that's the problem. The gaps opened up right here, right across from me, but to get through the white foam, that's the problem. And they can't see what I see. Whiteman tried to explain to them this is going to be the exit, but once you're there and adrenaline as part of your solution and your body chemistry, the perspective on life changes completely. And to remember to use your markers to exit, if it doesn't make sense what you see in front of you, it's a difficult decision. Because of all the white foam, I don't want to criticize the skipper's decisions this morning. They have to make decisions on that with that white foam dictating the speed, the steering, and the water depth. He decided he's going to turn. This ocean today is only for the very experienced and skilled skippers. Oki is definitely one of the very skilled skippers. He can react in a 1/10 of a second and turn that vessel on a dime. We've seen it so many times. So that should be experienced then as well. People in the comments have always got something to say on my narration, and I'm only trying to make it fun. This is really truly racing. The tide is bringing Oki in line with the gap. There's a big mother standing in front of him, and then after that one another one, and then it should be fine. He's in a good position. It's a little bit rough. I know it feels awkward and horrible. He's going to seek solace down south again. If you launch here today, you fly this at the seat of your pants. I don't think there's anything in the rule book that tell you how to read this and what to do with it. Because the sets are big, there's a lot of white water, and they just keep on coming. People ask me, why don't they go through the estuary mouth? Guys, this is literally the estuary mouth. If you went and you offloaded on the sandbank, you drove over the dunes, you offloaded on the sandbank, this is where you're going to exit. So it's immaterial where you push the boat. It's where you exit. That is where the skill comes in, because what we see from this side, what you see from the dune, and what the skipper sees that has to make the decision is three different things. Keep making sure that he's got a place to turn. Well, if you turn and you haven't got place to make a U-turn, you just run onto the beach. And Wiseman will reset you. Okay, you've got your line right now. You have to work through this white foam, and then you will find the gap. You're right in front of the gap area now. It's just patience. But that white foam is very, very intimidating. Okay, it's going to turn around and go back to safety. The sets is too big standing up in front of him. You can hear the 200s roaring and digging deep to get the boat onto plane. We're 7 minutes into this launch. My body is aching and cramping from holding the camera still. I'm pretty sure Oki's body feels exactly the same. He found his line. Let's see how he handles it. Oh, he's just turning around once again. He's going to make a run for it. Although the sets is closing up in front of him, no, he's going to turn once more. Motor's digging in deep into that white foam. I know you guys can't really hear what I'm hearing, but you can hear they're battling to find direction. Yeah, propulsion for the purist, traction for the guys enjoying the channel. I'm going to set everything just down again. Phew. Nine minutes into the launch. Just a mind game at the moment, riding waves, measuring the distance from the gully to the mid-break, seeing how much foamy she can handle. Once again, this would have been the spot to be right now, right in front of me. Those foamies are still going to be too big. Look, he found his line and he's running for it. He's going to run that Tomka. It's hard to get through the mid-break. He's got into a beautiful gap there. 45 to the north. Yeah, no, technology definitely surpass analog by far. Well done, Oki. Happy hunting, enjoy the day.